everyone, welcome back to the Auto Mags Pro. Today, we're diving into the world of road trips, freedom, and four-wheeled homes with the brand new 2025 Renault Motorhome. Whether you're a weekend warrior or dreaming of full-time van life, this might just be the perfect companion. Let's check it out. Let's start with the design. Renault's taken their proven Trafic platform and transformed it into a sleek, modern motorhome. The exterior is bold yet functional, with integrated LED headlights, aerodynamic lines, and high-mounted side mirrors for better visibility. The 2025 model also introduces solar panels on the roof, yes, solar, giving you that extra bit of off-grid independence. Under the hood, we've got a 2.0-liter blue DCI diesel engine, offering up to 170 horsepower. It's not a race car, but it's got more than enough punch for highway cruising and mountain passes, even when fully loaded. Renault's also improved sound insulation, so it's impressively quiet on the move. It comes with a 6-speed manual or an optional automatic transmission, and the handling. Surprisingly nimble for a vehicle this size. Adaptive cruise control and lane assist are standard now, along with a 360-degree parking camera, huge win for city navigation or tight campsites. Now, inside is where things get exciting. Renault's really leveled up the comfort and layout here. You've got a modular interior that's both cozy and efficient. The dining area converts into a full double bed, and the pop-up roof. That gives you a second sleeping zone for 2 more guests. The kitchenette features a dual-burner gas stove, a 49-liter fridge, and a stainless steel sink. There's even an extendable outdoor table for those golden hour dinners. Now, depending on the spec, you can opt for an integrated bathroom or use the included removable toilet module. It's a clever use of space, especially if you're staying off-grid. Tech-wise, it's got everything you'd want: a central touchscreen for navigation and media, plenty of USB-C charging ports, dimmable LED lighting, and even an app that lets you monitor water, power, and temperature from your phone. So, who's this for? If you're looking for a stylish, well-equipped camper that doesn't feel like a clunky RV, the 2025 Renault Motorhome checks a lot of boxes. It's compact enough to drive like a van but packed with features that make it feel like home. Whether it's a coastal road trip or a weekend in the mountains, the 2025 Renault Motorhome is ready for adventure. Hit that like button if you're dreaming of van life, and drop your questions below. We'll answer as many as we can.